Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to type in Google Sheets mobile. So let's get started. Here I have opened my Google Sheets application and I have opened my spreadsheet as well. And we're going to practice how we can type on this table. And for example, I'm going to type on this number column. So the first thing we have to do is we can click on the cell where we want to type. And for example, I'm going to type on this A3 cell. So I'm just going to click on the cell like this, and we can enter the text or formula right here. We can type right here, guys. So just tap on it, and for example, I'm going to type number. Then after we're done, we can click on this check mark button. Okay, and let's just practice it one more time. I'm going to type on A4 cell. So just click on the A4 cell and we can type right here. And if you want to type word, you can click on this button. Then for example, I'm going to type number like this. Okay, and I'm going to show you how we can enter data faster. We can do autofill for this number. So I'm just going to type 2, and we can do autofill. We can select the column like this, and we can tap and hold on the selected column and we can click on autofill. Okay. Alright guys, and that's how we can type in Google Sheets. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.